Hi guys, I'm here with Extreme Water Sports and today we're in Clear Valley Beach and this is going to be one of the locations for my SunnySweep Beach Cleanup on the 13th of September. So don't forget to come out and have some fun in the sun.
People,
Tomorrow, man.
yes, tomorrow the adventure begins. First location, Loman Beach for the beach campaign cleanup.
Second location, Clear Valley on the 13th for the second beach cleanup.
I thought the second location was Cattell's Beach.
No, the last location is Cattell's
Oh,
Beach.
okay, all right. I was hoping, okay, all right. So yes, second location is Clear Valley. That's the Wednesday, correct?
Yeah,
Okay, Wednesday, September
13th.
Very nice. Okay, very nice. So people, we want to see you out here on the beach, chipping out, cleaning up, because listen, we have to do it together. Loman's Beach, same thing tomorrow. What time should people be there?
9 a.m. 9 a.m. sharp.
9 a.m. sharp on the beach.
Yep. And the last beach cleanup is Cattell's Beach on the 16th, which is actually a Saturday. So I expect to see everyone come out on that day.
Okay, Saturday.
Yep.
Same time for all the events, same time?
Same time for all of the beach cleanup.
Well, so what can the people expect when they come out? All right, we understand the cleanup, but what else we have for them in stores?
We have some giveaways from Extreme Sports. Yeah, so we're doing some giveaways at the beach cleanup. So expect to come out, clean up, and then have some fun in the sun.
Have some fun in the sun, people. Have some fun in the sun. All right, so yeah, the giveaways from Extreme. What we could do, right? Everybody that comes out and helps clean up, I would say for the first 20 people. The first 20
people.
I know how this. I know how they come. I know how I say. If I say everybody, then it'll be 100 people down there, and then the first 20 people.
The first 20 people
will get half off ride.
And that's what, $10.
So no, the ride is $10. Half off of that is $5. Exactly.
Yep.
$5 rides, people.
Only $5. That's crazy. Thank you, Karim.
50% off because we like the initiative. We really want to support, and we also want everybody to enjoy. You know, this is giving back, and so we want to just put a little spice to it.
Yep.
You enjoy the tubes. We come out. We have fun. You know, we do what we do. So, again, that's it for now. Until next time.
Bye.
Burning up till it red. Welcome to Kingston every day. It's a summer every night. Feel like a Friday.